Hey guys, good afternoon here. This is Ryan Kerrigan at MarineMax Danvers on the North Shore of Mass. Today we are looking at a brand new stock model 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is one of their most popular models, definitely one of the most popular models we sell out of this location. So I just wanted to take you guys on a quick walkthrough and show you some of the features. We are equipped today with a tan hull red graphic boat. This is the classic Whaler outfit. We did do the boat with a white rub rail with the stainless insert, which is a good look as well. Equipped always, we'll usually do some assortment of railings. The most popular option being the split bow rail with the high side rails. Ease of access for getting on and off the boat and putting your anchor out. We will always equip the boat with a bimini top for proper coverage on the boat. And some of the other optional equipment that you can go with is some of the seating configurations. The most common that we'll go with is the forward and aft seating package. That consists of these two bow cushions, which are fully removable, which cover up your fish box and anchor locker up in the bow. And towards the aft of the boat, this also comes with the rear jump seats. What you don't see pictured here are the plug-in backrests. So for these rod holders here, there's two plug-ins that go in to give it a backrest and also a removable seat cushion as well. Moving forward again, for seating options, part of the fishing package is really consisting of this cooler seat with backrest combination with the additional rod holder storage and the back of the backrest there. Standard from the factory is a 90 horsepower Mercury outboard. We will typically equip it with a 115, which is the max horsepower for the boat. Great platform to get on plane, pull a tuber, ski or something like that. So great platform package for the boat. And moving towards the console, there's a couple different options that you can outfit the boat with electronics wise. We will typically do a SIMRAD function display, either a 7 or 9 inch, your choice, as well as a Fusion Bluetooth audio stereo with 4 speakers, as well as a factory VHF flush mounted there onto the console. Reversible pilot seat is always standard on board. You can option it with a live well if you choose. This one's just the storage on this one. And that about wraps it, guys, as far as options on the boat. Simple, but in-depth enough where there's enough customization on it. If you guys are interested in this or another one stock of our 170s, please feel free to come down to MarineMax Danvers. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, Danvers, Massachusetts. Thank you.